Hello friends, I am Dr. Lokesh Jasrai and in this video we'll discuss discriminant validity. In the previous video we have discussed convergent validity to check the construct validity of our measurement model, and now we are going to discuss discriminant validity. So discriminant validity refers to the extent to which a construct is truly distinct from other constructs in a model, both conceptually and statistically. It shows whether a construct measures something unique and not overlapping with other constructs. There are two ways to examine this validity for Fornell-Larcker criteria and heterotate monotrate ratio. So to understand this one, we open Smart PLS and execute this. So we open the ongoing project. Now in this project, in this model, three constructs are there: social support, financial well-being, work-life balance. All these together influence happiness, and happiness leads to influence life satisfaction. Click on calculate Pls-Sem algorithm and then start calculation. Now on the left hand side, we can see the option discriminant validity. Click on this and find out the Fornell-Larcker criteria values. Now you can see all the values are present along with distinct constructs. You can copy it to the Excel and Word. Now, once you see this table, each diagonal values which represented in a circle is the square root of AVE for each construct. Say for example, FW for financial well-being, the square root of AVE is 0.858 and the AVE value of this FW is 0.736. So once you square root of this, that becomes 0.857. So in this, all the diagonal values, they represent the square root of AVE for a respective constructs, and the off diagonal values are the correlation between the constructs. Now how we can interpret this table? The square root of AVE, the diagonal values for each constructs must be greater than its correlation with any other constructs of diagonal values in the same row or column. So this condition should be met in our assignments or in our research article. So now we understand this once we understand this one. Now say for example, the construct's financial well-being, square root of AVE diagonal value is 0.858 and highest correlation with other constructs is 0.780 with HP. So the condition is met. Similarly for HP, the square root of AVE value is 831 and the highest correlation with other constructs is 0.780 with FW. The condition is met. Similarly for LS, life satisfaction, the square root of value is 0.926 and highest correlation with other constructs is 0.585 with WLB, and it is greater, it is, and your square root value is greater than this value, so the condition is also met. And similarly for SS, the square root of value is 0.773, and once we see the correlation with other constructs either in the same row or in same column, so the highest value of correlation is 0.314 related to this related to this FW related to this FW, so the condition is also met. So in this way you have to interpret this table and then you can verify your discriminant validity based on the Fornell-Larcker criteria. So this all in this video. Thank you so much for watching it and kindly subscribe the channel for more videos on this particular topic. Thank you.